Torrential slide value equivalent to 624.41 rands a coin. The present cost range: 570.11, 646.22. The earlier day close: 572.81. The change was plus 51.60, plus 9.01%. Backwards rate: ZAR to Avax. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else cost at 1416 rands. Excessive cost 1416, while low cost 1222. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1342. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 1314, change for April 7.2%. Torrential slide conjecture for May 2024. Initially cost at 1314 rands. Excessive cost 1428, while low cost 1242. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1330. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 1335, change for May 1.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2024. To start with cost at 1335 rands. Exorbitant cost 1335, while low cost 1161. The found the middle value of cost 1270. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 1248, change for June 6.5%. Torrential slide estimate for July 2024. To start with cost at 1248 rands. Exorbitant cost 1248, while low cost 1019. The found the middle value of cost 1153. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 1096, change for July 12.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2024. In the first place cost at 1096 rands. Exorbitant cost 1096, while low cost 908. The found the middle value of cost 1019. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 976, change for August 10.9%. Torrential slide gauge for September 2024. In the first place cost at 976 rands. Exorbitant cost 1036, while low cost 900. The found the middle value of cost 970. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 968, change for September 0.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2024. In the first place cost at 968 rands. Exorbitant cost 1043, while low cost 907. The found the middle value of cost 973. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 975, change for October 0.7%. Torrential slide estimate for November 2024. First and foremost cost at 975 rands. Exorbitant cost 975, while low cost 829. The found the middle value of cost 918. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 891, change for November 8.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2024. First and foremost cost at 891 rands. Exorbitant cost 1106, while low cost 891. The found the middle value of cost 981. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 1034, change for December 16.0%. Torrential slide estimate for January 2025. First and foremost cost at 1034 rands. Exorbitant cost 1125, while low cost 977. The found the middle value of cost 1047. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 1051, change for January 1.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2025. First and foremost cost at 1051 rands. Excessive cost 1143, while low cost 993. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1064. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 1068, change for February 1.6%. Torrential slide figure for walk 2025. Before all else cost at 1068 rands. Excessive cost 1294, while low cost 1068. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1160. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 1209, change for spring 13.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2025. Before all else cost at 1209 rands. Excessive cost 1234, while low cost 1072. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1167. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 1153, change for April 4.6%. Torrential slide figure for May 2025. In the first place cost at 1153 rands. Exorbitant cost 1253, while low cost 1089. The found the middle value of cost 1167. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 1171, change for May 1.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2025. In the first place cost at 1171 rands. Exorbitant cost 1453, while low cost 1171. The found the middle value of cost 1288. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 1358, change for June 16.0%. Torrential slide gauge for July 2025. In the first place cost at 1358 rands. Exorbitant cost 1477, while low cost 1283. The found the middle value of cost 1375. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 1380, change for July 1.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2025. First and foremost cost at 1380 rands. Exorbitant cost 1500, while low cost 1304. The found the middle value of cost 1397. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 1402, change for August 1.6%. Torrential slide estimate for September 2025. First and foremost cost at 1402 rands. Excessive cost 1524, while low cost 1324. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1419. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 1424, change for September 1.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2025. Before all else cost at 1424 rands. Excessive cost 1583, while low cost 1375. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1465. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 1479, change for October 3.9%. Torrential slide conjecture for November 2025. At the outset cost at 1479 rands. Excessive cost 1836, while low cost 1479. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1628. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 1716, change for November 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2025. At the outset cost at 1716 rands. Excessive cost 1865, while low cost 1621. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1736. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 1743, change for December 1.6%. Torrential slide figure for January 2026. Initially cost at 1743 rands. Excessive cost 1743, while low cost 1432. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1615. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 1540, change for January 11.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2026. Initially cost at 1540 rands. Excessive cost 1911, while low